Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Secure the motorcycle and cut ignition so systems stop transmitting. Remove the seat and any accessible panels. You're looking for extra wires, magnets, or glued boxes. Check around the battery, under tool trays, and along the frame rails where installers hide modules. Once found, photograph placement and wiring before touching anything so you understand how it's connected. Make sure to wear gloves and keep your phone on airplane mode to avoid triggering a transmitting device. Once the panels are off, perform an RF sweep. Move an RF detector slowly over wiring runs, battery area, and under each fender while listening for spikes or chirps. Many trackers emit periodic GSM, LTE, or Bluetooth bursts, so watch for intermittent signals rather than constant noise. If you don't have a detector, use your phone in airplane mode and then briefly toggle Bluetooth to see signal presence, but prefer a proper scanner. Make sure to check near metal parts. Magnets are a common mounting method. You now make the removal safe and final. Photograph the unit, note any labels or EMA, then disconnect the battery or power lead before unmounting to prevent sparks or remote tampering. Remove the SIM card and battery if accessible, and place components in a sealed bag. Once removed, test the bike systems and reassemble panels. If the tracker isn't found but tracking continues, make sure to inspect luggage, trailer hitch areas, and consult a professional sweep. This is the key troubleshooting step if your search fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.